What is going up, guys? We got a brand new video. We got this Chinese-Japanese CDI, man. Look at this thing. And what this thing does is it takes off your rev limiter and advance your timing curve. The box is boring, and it was crushed when I got it. Like this whole thing, I can kind of show you. I popped it back up, but this whole thing was crushed. Not a big deal. They're pretty strong. I had one of these fly off my bike when I was riding one day, and I had to go pick it back up. But yeah, let's just get into it. With stuff like this, you just kind of here's the box. It's got some weird diagram. Get this thing open. Yeah, it's kind of torn in there. It's got some like glue or something ripped up in there. But yeah. And then we got this. Look at this thing. I was gonna get the orange one. This one was like $8, so why not? And with 2-day shipping. But yeah, that little green light, this turns on when it's getting power. I think these two run from your stator, and then one of these is a kill switch, and then one of these gives spark to the coil pack, and then the other one's just ground. So this is pretty much it. So what I'm going to do real quick is I'm going to go into the Google Translate app, and I'm going to try to translate this for you guys. Hold on to my mind. Step into the light. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be making a video to see if this does any difference, because I keep seeing these videos, and these guys have stock scooters and they're putting it on. You know, you gotta rejet your carb and stuff. If your bike can't do the RPM, then it's not going to. So this will be my test to see if this adds any horsepower. So thank you guys for watching, and like, subscribe, comment, all that good shit.